everyone, we are Group 5 and our topic is Spring Circuit, and I'm responsible for Part 1. And what is Spring Circuit? This picture shows what is it. First, we have a fixed platform and connect it to two springs, and then these two springs connected to a light platforms. And the light platforms connects to two springs at its bottom. And finally, the two springs at the bottom connected to a mast. And this kind of spring circuit can simulate some waveforms. So, our motivations is, in physics, we all learned how to solve this kind of questions before, and we want to know what we can do with this spring circuit. So first, we want to simulate different waveforms with MATLAB, such as square wave, sine wave, etc. Then our final goal is to see real waveforms with the spring circuit in the application part. So I will explain some math at this part. Applying Hooke's law and first equilibrium to get some data to simulate this. And Hooke's law first, and T1 equals to 2k times delta x1, T2 equals to 3k times delta x2, and T3 equals to k times delta x2, and there is one ng there. And we using the first equilibrium, 2T1 equal to T2 plus T3, T2 plus T3 equal to ng, and solve these two equations, we can get some data to simulate the waveforms. And more about the math calculation, because we only talk about the Hooke's laws and equilibrium at this part, and more about the differential equation, we will talk about it in the second part. But there will be some expected error in our applications because there is one factor in the springs that will affect it. This is damping. So we need to see the spring's damping coefficients. If the coefficient is 0, means that there will be no damping and the waveform will be perfect. But coefficient equal to 0 only happen in vacuum conditions. So as a result, mostly it is in the second condition, which is air, and the oscillating will become smaller and smaller because the damping coefficient is not 0, and finally it will be in equilibrium, which means that it will stay in only one positions. So the waveform will become a little strange, not act like we expected. And next is our second part.